Golden tips on dealing with the greatest commodity. Have you been knowledgeable about gold trading? Are you a newcomer to gold trading? Are you currently carrying this out forever, but interested in learning more? Veteran or beginner, anyone will probably learn something in this post. You are sure to discover information that you didn't know while reading this article. Always research a company you want to send gold jewelry to. Your package must be insured, and you ought to be conscious of when you will receive payment. Require a photo of all the stuff you are sending so you will see no questions later. If you're not aware of your gold's worth, have it appraised. It costs a little bit, although the knowledge gained is valuable. Utilize a licensed appraiser only. Remember, if you sell, you will not get the full value of the appraisal. You might use GoldMoney to purchase gold. It's much like opening a gold checking account. You may have started a free account, and you bought gold at a particular price. Rather than maintaining the gold at your home, it is actually held in a secure bank vault. It is possible to cash it all out, divide it, or redeem it. It is best to contact the BBB before selling your gold. You will notice if there have been any complaints and be able to read reviews from consumers who definitely have conducted business using them. Be aware of whether any one of the complaints were not settled in a satisfactory way. If you see a lot of complaints who have gone unresolved, think of moving on. Only order from a dealer you know. Call the BBB or visit their online site to get assistance in discovering an established gold dealer. The BBB can advise you in case the dealer has received any complaints. Even when you feel a pull toward a particular company, it's a smart idea to proceed to some other dealer should they have any unsettled complaints on file. Don't just sell your gold on a whim. Gold is usually going up and you will never know if it will stop. Holding onto the gold you have will likely be good for your future. As you prepare to market your gold pieces, divide it into separate piles according to carat values. The carats determine the worth, and you may not get what you're entitled to if you money in your gold. Pieces with higher carats are definitely the more valuable pieces. Check if friends or relatives have broken components of gold they want to sell. If you can purchase it from them at below melt value, you may make a nice gain. Like any type of investing, take into consideration gold as being a long-term gambit. Don't only purchase gold as soon as the pricing is high. Don't buy anything if the cost is high. In the event you spread the chance around and acquire gold in any way different times, you find yourself using the best value. Should you be unfamiliar with gold investing, keep it simplistic. Keep away from things like gold futures. Futures financial markets are volatile and sophisticated, and this includes the market for gold futures. It's quite simple to reduce money if you're unclear what you're doing. Enable the more capable investors cope with complex investments such as this. Hold true to or search for U.S. gold coins made before 1933. President Roosevelt recalled all gold coinage in 1933. Until this time, these folks were used in daily commerce. Some people didn't heed that recall, so there are many very valuable coins still available. If you'd prefer to buy gold without putting a lot of money down up front, that's alright. It is possible to definitely start off small. Simply buy gold if you have the amount of money to do this. You will notice your gold portfolio grow with time right into a nice big pile of expensive gold. No matter the conditions of your market, gold is obviously a well-liked. You can profit regardless of what direction the industry goes into. This flexibility makes gold trading effective. However, you should learn strategies that really work in a variety of conditions to earn as a result. Know your gold's value before you decide to sell it. Usually, in order to sell gold, buyers know you wish to get money quickly. It's this knowledge rendering them believe they may pay out under your gold's true value. The website, www.goldprice.org, is a helpful resource for checking the actual value of gold. Be ready to verify your identity when you're out to sell gold. Gold can be something that thieves like. Because of this, government entities requires men and women to present their ID when they sell gold. It is then more readily found stolen gold. If you're planning to sell gold coins, make sure to take both collector value and value by weight into account. If you're selling those to be melted, you could lose a few bucks. Perform some research before you decide to sell those coins. Never do business with a dealer except if you have considered their history first. You will find definitely some bad eggs if you cope with the gold market. These people will try and obtain over for you in the event you allow them to. You have to be responsible enough to analyze the reputations of individuals you are looking for doing business with. The greater number of you know, the more likely you are to are actually excellent decisions about gold. Selling gold jewelry won't make you an overnight millionaire. Some television advertisers would have you believe you could make millions dealing in gold, but this is simply not always true. You may only have a few $100 for the gold. Don't buy gold by using a high premium. The greater you would spend on premiums, the reduced your profits. Get the lowest premiums out there to help you get yourself a decent return about the investment easily. The following tips should serve you well when you plan to generate money dealing in gold. Gold prices are volatile, there are risks involved, so don't expect to earn a huge profit immediately. That's what you truly desire after the time, and this article is your starting place. GVMG, Global Viral Marketing Group. Thank you for watching to the end. One-time secret offer. Free web marketing tools giveaway and more. For more details, please click the URL below.